In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Sendwave for business. We'll walk through setting up your account, verifying your identity, adding a recipient, and making a secure business transfer, clearly and at a comfortable pace. Start by opening the Sendwave app and choosing Sign Up. Enter your full legal name and your email address, making sure they match your identification to avoid delays later. Tap the flag next to the phone field to pick your correct country code, then enter your mobile number. Select "Where are you sending first?" and choose the country where your recipient will receive funds. Check the box to agree to the terms, then tap Sign Up. A verification code is sent to your phone. Enter that code to confirm your number. You'll now create a secure PIN. Enter it, tap Create PIN, re-enter the same PIN, and tap Confirm PIN. You should see a message that your account is created. Keep your PIN private and avoid using something easy to guess. On the dashboard, you're ready to send money for business purposes. Tap Recipient, choose the payment method for your recipient, and select Bank Transfer. Enter the recipient's full name, their mobile number, and retype the number to confirm accuracy. Tap Save, then continue to send. Accurate names and numbers help ensure the funds reach the right account without delays. Because this is your first transfer, you'll verify your identity. Enter your full name and date of birth, then select the purpose of the account to reflect business use. Tap Finish, then Continue. Choose your issuing country, select the type of ID you'll use, and tap Continue, then Continue again. Tap Start to begin. Capture clear photos of your document following on-screen guides to fit it in frame, and submit the photo. Next, start the quick face recording. Tap Start, follow the prompts, and hold steady in good glare-free lighting. When you're done, tap Continue to send. Now add a payment method. Choose debit or credit card. Enter your card details carefully, then your billing address, including zip code, city, and state. Tap Continue. Choose the card you just added as your payment method. Tap Continue to send. Review the transfer summary for fees and rates, and when everything looks right, tap Confirm Transfer. That's it. You've set up Sendwave for business, verified your identity, added a recipient, and completed a secure transfer. Remember to double-check all details before you confirm, keep your PIN safe, and ensure your information matches your official documents for smooth processing.